Introduce highlight features or overview summary for TUIFAC 4K mirror dash cam. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include True 4K UHD dash cam, front and rear. The VT15 rear view mirror camera records in crystal clear 4K Ultra HD 3840x2160p at 30 fps for the front and 2.5K for the rear, delivering ultra-detailed images with superior clarity. A 160 degrees ultra-wide front lens and 140 degrees rear lens minimize blind spots, ensuring full road coverage. Perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs. Built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi allows seamless smartphone connectivity via the VCar app, Android and iOS. Enjoy real-time video streaming, playback, download, and easy sharing on social media. No need to remove the included 32 GB SD card. Manage footage directly from your phone for a hassle-free experience. Stay focused on driving with advanced voice commands like take photo, lock the video, and show front camera. The high-precision GPS module records real-time speed, route, and location data, providing valuable driving evidence. This rear-view mirror camera supports seamless loop recording, automatically overwriting old footage. The G sensor locks critical clips during collisions or sudden braking to prevent overwriting. With 24-hour parking surveillance, it offers round-the-clock vehicle protection when paired with the TUIFAC V3F hardwire kit, sold separately. Equipped with advanced night vision, an f/1.6 large aperture, and a 6-layer glass lens, this dashcam provides exceptional low-light recording. It enhances light intake, capturing sharp details even in the dark, reducing glare, and improving safety. The ultra-clear 12-inch IPS touchscreen ensures smooth, responsive operation. Designed as a full-screen rear-view mirror camera, it seamlessly adapts to your car's mirror. Anti-glare technology minimizes headlight distortion, improving nighttime visibility and safety. The IP67 waterproof rear camera provides clear vision in all weather conditions and can be securely mounted with screws or 3M adhesive. When reversing, the display automatically switches to the rear view with parking guidelines for safer maneuvering. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.